So what do we got going on here today?
So we are dismantling a lift.
Yeah, Challenger Lift is bringing us a new toy.
This is an OG lift. What would I have to do? Right? There we go. Go ahead and pull her up. So yeah, Challenger Lifts is coming tomorrow to install our new lift. And so we've got to get this one out of here. And they asked us if we had a forklift. And I said, no, but we have tow trucks.
Ta-da!
That's how I set and moved these lifts the last few times. This time with the blue truck, we have a little more lift and reach capability.
Yeah. She has a slightly longer extendo pole,
Yeah.
which is pretty convenient for stuff like this.
Okay, right there, John. Hurry back. Good.
Oh dear. I'm gonna stand back here.
Alright, over here. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at all this space we got.
Right? For activities.
Operation Record Game Secret Weapon. Alright.
What do we got here? Oh, there's a W on it. What does that mean?
Winning! Alright. A Xeon 12S. Synthetic. S. We're going to swap out our Badlands winch up in there. And we're going to swap out our 10S right here. So we're going to put a new 12S on here and 12S on the back. Mostly we're doing it for the new cable on the back. Also, this winch, I have no problems with the Badlands winch. I want everyone to know that. I have no problem with the Harbor Freight stuff. I think it's great. It works awesome. However, that one's slow. And when you're trying to do stuff that is super ridiculously slow, it's annoying. We are slightly in the process of swapping all of our winches over to our friends over at Warren. I'm excited, I'm happy, this is super cool. Okay, we got the winch out and we are trimming some plate back. A sharp edge right there that we're going to address. Then we got this one on my tag and ready.
Oh, ready.
It's all ready. Yeah, take it out, tight this up.
Got it back together, got power to it. Why didn't Trailmater have girlfriends?
Doesn't need one. It's got 6 winches.
Blue's settling down, she's only got 3.
Yeah.
Tree.
Look at that. It moves a little.
Look how swollen it is though.
Compared to the other one.
Okay, here we are. We are headed for Hells Revenge. Got a buggy up there with a broken link. Looks like a front link. We gotta weld it back together, get it to where they can drive it out. Probably pick up the car, weld it back up. Should be pretty easy. See what we got.
Oh, we got the guys' kids with us, so I didn't know if they were gonna ride out there back out there with you or.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
There's a guy out there with it?
He's out there right
Okay,
now.
yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, he's
All right.
out there.
All right.
Yeah, we just all this gets back for him.
All righty, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna pull in front of you so I can pick up the front end so we can get to everything. Okay, you wanna pop that strap off? Here we are. So welded that up. That's where it broke. This is like a wishbone type link. Ties in 2 spots up on the frame and 1 spot on here. And it snapped right there. We put the gusset on, got it all back together. It's full welded. It's not the best, but it'll hold. It'll do great things. And so we're gonna set it down, get the truck all spooled up, and send him on his way.
Super grateful. Didn't know what I was gonna do there for a little bit.
Kind of get like, oh, this is broken. We put it right back where it goes, or where it was, so I mean, that's gonna be pretty centered. I mean, it's right in the middle of the bump pad. That other one's a little off, but there it is. Okay, so we got him all welded back together. He's gonna drive it out. Now I'm heading up over, I'm gonna go up Dragon's Tail and around, go find this other side-by-side that I guess broke a rear drive line. Not really a side-by-side, one of those Tom cars. Interesting little dune buggy kind of thing. Anyway, we're gonna go over here, find him, and probably pull him out, help him get out of here. And yeah, okay, so still got front wheel drive, so we're just helping them up the big stop. So they should be able to drive most of the way out of here. Then we'll just help them up the big hills. All will go pretty smooth. So we got them pulled down to the parking lot. They're gonna drive it home. It's just part of the rear axle assembly sheared. I guess it's happened before. So it's something that company's trying to deal with, engineer better on those Tom cars. They're pretty cool military things. Here's the guy we fixed earlier. He's loading up on the trailer down there. So yeah, nice little evening on Hells Revenge. A couple of recoveries, and now I am going home. So we're removing some things from the ceiling that don't really matter anymore. So all these rollers on all these doors are no longer functional. They don't work. The rollers are above the door, and so these are basically just in the way. So now that we actually have a lift that's going to go tall enough, it'd be nice. We figured we'd get that out of the way so we can use the full height of the lift. And we got Kip over here. What are we putting up?
We're putting the new Challenger CL12A. It's fully height adjustable and width adjustable.
Kip's never set one without a forklift. And our forklift is an inadequate piece of equipment. So we're gonna set it with the tow trucks like we've set all our lifts.
So it normally takes me 5 hours to install this lift. We'll see how that goes.
Woo!
Okay, Alan, it's your time to shine. Yank 'em ropes.
That's right. Yank 'em ropes. Going to work.
How's that feeling? Hang on. Yeah, let me come back. Yeah, go ahead. Good, Mike.
Right there. That'll work.
Going up.
Okay, go down.
How's the thumb today?
That's about the same as yesterday. Ooh, got a little more movement.
Yeah. He can move it. He didn't take no days off. He ain't no wussy. He just marinated it in some a jar of mayonnaise and ate
Yeah.
cheese curds all day. And then he feels better now, so.
Right, yeah.
Look at this lift, it's huge. I'm pretty excited about this one.
Great big cables here. This guy going. Hydraulic lines. Here we go, we're filling her up. Good things are happening. Sweet. All right, here we go, it's working.
I'm so excited.
Look, you've been cleaning?
I know, look. See, this is how it goes.
Imagine that for your gas cap.
Oh yeah.
If you touch any of these parts,
So I say that because old Michael over here used one of these, but the smaller ones that go on those
used to
lifts
go to that lift over there,
Yeah.
for his gas cap.
yeah, and then lost it in
Then
St. Hollow.
lost it. St. Hollow.
It was a fan's fault. They came and distracted me while I was pouring gas. So yeah, this is a Challenger lift. You may not see any stickers on it yet.
Here, get right here.
Here we go. Look
Not
at
a
that.
single air bubble. So, thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you. With a filing system this amazing, it's hard to believe that I can't occasionally find things. It's weird almost.
Oh wait,
Was it mayonnaise or Miracle Whip?
oh, Miracle Whip's way better. But it depends on your sandwich. You know, you could go either way.
The thumb sandwich?
Yeah.